Let's braid my sister's hair. We're going to be doing regular box braids for my sister using Brazilian wool. Okay, you guys know that I love using wool for natural hair. My sister actually has very long hair, guys, inches upon inches upon inches. Okay, I'm not showing you guys the ones I have done. Like I'm doing like jumbo, not jumbo, like big sha, big. And right now I'm applying leave-in conditioner and just braiding the hair. I really love braiding natural hair with Brazilian wool, guys. Don't ask me why. It just blends very well. It looks very natural. It just looks good. Okay, I'm not braiding and braiding, tucking her hair underneath the wool. At this point I was done. My worst part is applying this, doing this burning section, because I always burn my hands. And now I'm applying some moss, and then oil sheen or hairspray, I can't remember, but okay, did her edges, and then I'm just showing you guys the final look. This took me about like 4-ish hours, 3.5 hours. At first, she didn't want to show her face. So when I said this for TikTok and YouTube and Instagram, Auntie opened her face. And that's it. That's all.